Hello, today I'm going to show you how to easily make screen videos using Screencastify for free. One thing to know about Screencastify is that it is a Google Chrome extension, so it lives here in Google Chrome. It will be synced and organized into your Google Drive account. In order to get it, we're going to go to the Google's homepage and we're going to do a search for Chrome Web Store. And then we'll select the Chrome Web Store. From here in this search area, we are going to type Screencastify, the extension. Here is the extension, and it is asking me to add to Chrome, which I'm going to select. And I'm going to say yes, add extension. If you notice, now in a minute, it's going to appear to the right of my Omnibar, as long as it is downloading and adding it as an extension. So here it is, and I'm going to say close this. So now you see it here as an extension next to the right of my Omnibar. So now let's say this is what I want to do. I want to create a tutorial video, and I want students to know how to access Amplify. To create it, I'm going to go to my top right-hand corner right here and access the Chrome extension of Screencastify. So first I have to finish setting it up. So I already did, well, we need to do step 1, which is to sign in with Google. And it will ask me for my account. Now I already set it up, so let's see. It went right in. For you, you will have to select your LAUSD email account. You'll sign in. Once you're done with step 1, then you'll go to step 2, which is asking you for permission to use the camera, the microphone, drawing, and annotation tools. I'll click next. Once this pop-up window appears, I'll select allow. Next, it will ask you to select your role. Mine, because it has already been set up, is not. You will select educator. Then it will ask you for what level. You'll select grade school. And then you'll be ready. You'll be ready to start your brief tutorial video. It can be as long as 5 minutes. Okay, so here I'm going to do that. I'm going to select Screencastify. I'm going to go to Amplify Reading because that is what I want to record right there. So it's accessing. Now it's asking me, do I want to record a browser tab, a desktop, or webcam only? If I select webcam only, then it's only going to record myself. For this type of practice, I'm going to select desktop. The microphone is working. I can see right there the green bar. Now it's asking me, do I want to embed a webcam? If I do select that, then I will be recording myself too with this tutorial. And usually my face will appear right here on the bottom portion of the screen. I think it creates a distraction, so for this one, I will deselect it. I don't want that this time. So then I will select record. So now it's asking me what screen do I want, and I'm going to select this one. This is what I want to be recorded, and I said share. Then I'm going to get a countdown. So here it is. Now I'm ready to start my tutorial video. If you notice too, here on the bottom left, you have some options. You can pause your video and then resume it. You also have some pointer selections for your cursor right here that you can explore and see which one you like. Here you also have a pen for a whiteboard so that you can select the color. You can draw arrows and say, okay, you're going to select this. Oh, that's not a good arrow. You can also make circles. If you don't like that, you also have an eraser, right? And if you don't want to be showing this bar, then you can also click on the X and that will eliminate it. So you just continue with your tutorial video. Once you are done with your tutorial video, you're going to select Stop Sharing. And it will immediately take you to the Screencastify website and my video will show up. And I'm going to skip tour. And here you can play your video so you can check to see if this is what you like. You have an option of trimming it from the beginning or the end. But for that, you will need to upgrade. If you do select to upgrade in Screencastify, make sure to get the educator discount. Otherwise, you only have 5 minutes of video and limited editing tools. Also, if you don't like the video, you can select here the trash. You will delete it and you can start all over again. Now for sharing your video, you have different options here. You can share it straight to your Google Classroom if you already have it set up. You can publish it to YouTube and then you can just give them the link to your students. You can send it via email or you can generate a QR code. And that QR code, you send it to students so that they have access to your video. You can also create it because it is saved automatically to your Google Drive. You can create a shareable link that you will send to your students so they can access the video. These are all the different options you have. Also, you can download it to your computer and it will be saved there on your computer. So once you decide how you want to do it, then you can go ahead and select how you want to share or save your video. I hope this helps and it gives you a jump start on how to create videos for your students.